PraisonAI Part 2. So for those of you watching on my channel, thank you for returning. For those of you who are new, this is part 2 of installing PraisonAI. Part 1 is located onto my YouTube channel, so please check it out. For part 1, I did not successfully install PraisonAI, and this is part 2, showing you that I successfully installed it, doing a couple of tweaks here and there. So for those of you just watching this for the very first time, PraisonAI was created by mvin. I'll leave his YouTube channel below on my description. So it is a application which combines Autogen and Crew AI frameworks into a low-code solution for building and managing multi-agent large language management systems. Apologize. So what I did was I went back to the drawing board, deleted PraisonAI off of my operating system, off of my local directory, and reinstalled it using Visual Studio Code. So for those of you who want to install this, please refer back to part 1 of my video, and let's get started as far as running the code and showing you guys the output of the code. So we'll go into Visual Studio Code. And what worked for me was the code of Python -m space Praison AI. The Praison AI did not work for me. So if it works for you, please put a comment down below and let me know how that goes. So we're gonna paste this on to our Visual Studio Code, which is showing PraisonAI, and press enter. Now it's gonna take a little bit, so please bear with me. I'm running on a 4-year-old laptop, a Dell Inspiron 15, and I upgraded the RAM to 64 gigs of RAM, 4 terabytes of SSD, and a 4-core CPU. So this is pretty quite slow. So in part 1 of my video, I couldn't run this code or the other code, which was PraisonAI. It would just give me an error, meaning there's a lot of gibberish that came out. So in order for you to see that you installed it correctly, you would see these two sections below. So you're going to see the debug and the info. So the debug is the working agent, which is the concept developer, and then the information, starting task, develop a unique and engaging concept for a movie script for a cat in Mars. So notice how I didn't change anything within the code. So when you go back to the GitHub, you're able to set that up. But I just wanted to show you guys that I actually succeeded in resolving any issues that I did throughout the installation. So once it's done with this output, we'll scroll back up and we'll do a little walkthrough. Please bear with me; it's pretty slow. So. Right. So in order for you to find out that it actually completed the output, the PS space C dot directory will appear just like you see here on my screen. So let's scroll up and do a little walkthrough of the output of this code. So the working agent is the concept developer. Its tasks is to develop a unique and engaging concept for a movie script about a cat in Mars. Like I said, I didn't change this task. I will go back and change the task and use it more for project management or any other topic that I can probably think of. If I feel like doing other things than project management. But as you can see here, it gives you the genre. It gives you a concept document. It also gives you an overview, which is right here. Little highlight. It gives you the setting. The movie is set in a near future where Mars colonization is in its infancy. It gives you the plot. Then it gives you the characters. Now keep in mind, I did not generate or think about these characters or any of the plot or the settings. This was basically done by PraisonAI, the application using Autogen and Crew AI. So it also gives me the themes and it gives me the conclusion. And then it breaks it down into dialogue and scenes. Scroll down here. And it breaks into a storyboard. Gives you frames 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way until frame 12. Then it gives you a end of storyboard, and that concludes it as far as the movie script. So I'm really happy this application worked. Like I said, special shout out to Mervin for creating this application. And let me know how it goes on your side. I'm gonna start playing around with the code as far as its tasks and see what it can do as far as any other topic. But for now, thank you again. Please comment below on any comments that you would like, and I would love to answer them and as quickly as I can. Thank you. Take care.